uncovering the mystery of oil fields. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, oil field. This term is not just important in English but also in understanding global economics and geography. So, let's explore what an oil field is, its significance, and how it's used in everyday English. Ready to learn something new? Let's get started. An oil field refers to an area with a large quantity of oil under the ground, ready to be extracted and used. Think of it as a treasure trove, but instead of gold, it's oil. This oil is found in different forms, like liquid or gas, and it's trapped in the rocks beneath the Earth's surface. Oil fields are incredibly significant for a few reasons. Firstly, they are a major source of fossil fuels, which are used globally for energy, transportation, and manufacturing. Secondly, countries with large oil fields often have a strong economic advantage because oil is a valuable resource in the global market. Lastly, the discovery and use of oil fields have both environmental and political implications, influencing global relations and environmental policies. To help you understand how to use this term in real-life scenarios, here are a few examples. 1. The company discovered a new oil field in the desert. 2. The oil field has been producing for over 50 years. 3. Environmentalists are concerned about the impact of drilling in that oil field. Interestingly, the term oil field can sometimes be used metaphorically or in idioms. For example, saying, "He struck oil," can mean someone has found a very profitable or successful opportunity, akin to discovering an oil field. I hope this video helps clarify what an oil field is and how it's used both literally and figuratively. Remember, understanding phrases like this not only improves your English but also expands your knowledge about the world. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning.